Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the color on an element in Canva. I'm just going to add this one. First, I want the drink to be like this cute strawberry drink. I'm just going to select this pink one. Then here as well I'm going to try to find like a lighter pink color maybe here. And then also for the logo I want it to be pink as well here. I can change that. Can even maybe select some other color for it. And then also like for the wafer, I want to change it to maybe something else a little bit darker. Maybe like this or something. It's totally up to you like what color you want to change it to, of course. Maybe like this peach color. You can even like change the color of the outline to something else, but I prefer this one. Also change the background maybe so you can see the outline a little bit better like that. Some graphics you can't change, but most of them you can, like this one as well. You can change the color. Let's see about this one. You can change the color of this, I guess, pie. Right here, I want to change the colors a little bit. Just going to leave it like this maybe. But that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!